Everybody, Wilton over here, out here in New Orleans, attending Select Independent. So there's been a lot of noise lately about AI replacing search, but let's get real about the numbers. So right now, ChatGPT processes about approximately 66 million search-like prompts a day, which is a lot, right? Sounds big, right? Well, not when you compare it to Google's 14 billion search per day. That means Google is still about 210 times bigger. This data comes from Rand Fishkin. It's a good reminder that while AI is growing fast, Google still owns the discovery game, right? It's still the dominant one. Again, I use ChatGPT a lot, but in Google, it's still the main dominant one. Yes, right? ChatGPT really usage has skyrocketed, exploded, right? Over 2.5 billion prompts a day now, mostly from APIs, integrations, but only about 21% of those are search-like, meaning users are looking for answers or info. That's roughly 66 million AI-driven searches. Compare that to Google, right, which did 5 billion searches in like trillion searches in 2024 alone. Again, you just kind of get the wild extreme. In fact, even DuckDuckGo, right? Many of you heard DuckDuckGo, right? Sends more traffic than ChatGPT. So, right, what does this mean for for your business? AI isn't replacing search yet, right? So of course we gotta be playing with everything, but it hasn't replaced search yet. Most of your audience, right? Most of your families, they still find you through Google. And SEO, search engine optimization, very much is still alive and necessary. And here's the big takeaway. Don't fall on those AI hype circles, right? Right. Obviously, we got to be optimized for AI, but keep your foundation strong, right? Which is still Google, because they're still like that's still where your families find you, right? So what help, right? Staying right really is at the end is still going to be search for. Right? If you look at Google, right? Google is really trying to keep up with the AI game. So overall, is right whether you're doing search engine optimization, generative engine optimization, what do you end up calling AIO, but at the end is right still what we love are those who are eminent need near me, right? Whether they go on Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, right? Bing is still out there, right? Even Yahoo's still out there, but you just got to make sure whenever families are looking up your services, you show up, whether it's ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, right? But so far, Google is still the main dominant one. See? So, have any questions? Let me know.